Okay, today I'll be doing a review on the Justice League Unlimited Batman. This is a really good figure. I liked how they put the blue, you can see, blue and blue kind of shade into it. It's supposed to be, it's like gray, but it's a good thing. I like it. Right here, they have good detail into the cape, you can see. It's kind of rubber, weird rubber that you can bend like that. Okay, it has the white in the eye, really cool. It can move side to side. Nice bat on here. It's a really nice figure. I like how they did the utility, and really good figure. You can move its arm, elbow, and that's all in the arm. And this is like the only toy that they put with knee articulation. You can see it bends. This leg too. We go front and back. Usually they're all just like can bend, but I'm just amazed. Like Flash, Batman, and Superman. See right here, good figure, and really good figure. I think you should go out and buy it. Please subscribe, and it's a nice toy, and you should go buy it. See you next time.